Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Celestial Space Facts. In this channel, we focus on giving definite information regarding various topics related to space, astronomy, astrophysics, cosmology, celestial, and many more coming up. We really hope you are learning and gaining knowledge from this channel of ours. Today's topic is Aquila Constellation. Aquila Constellation is located in northern sky on the celestial equator. Constellation's name means eagle in Latin. The constellation represents the eagle of god Jupiter in Roman mythology. It was first catalogued by Greek astronomer Ptolemy in 2nd century. The eagle constellation is easy to spot flying opposite the celestial swan Cygnus. The constellation brightest star forms a prominent asteroid known as Summer Triangle with the luminaries of Cygnus and Lyra of Vega. Aquila is the home to Altair, the 12th brightest star in the sky and one of our nearest bright neighbors. Terazed, an orange bright giant, and Eta Aquila, a variable white supergiant. The constellation also contains several interesting deep sky objects. The planetary nebula NGC 6803, NGC 6804, NGC 6781, and Phantom Street Nebula NGC 6741, the open clusters NGC 6709. Facts and locations and map. Aquila is the 22nd brightest biggest star constellation in the sky, occupying an area of 652 square degrees in fourth quadrant of northern hemisphere. It can be seen at latitude between plus 90 degree and minus 75 degree. The neighboring constellations are Aquarius, Capricornus, Delphinius, Hercules, Ophiuchus, Sagittarius, Scorpion, and Cauda. The constellation name Aquila is pronounced Aquila in English. The constellation is known as Eagle. The genitive form of Aquila used in the star names is Aquili. The three-letter abbreviation adopted by International Astronomical Unit (IAU) in 1922 is AQL. Aquila is one of the 15th equatorial constellations. It has three stars brighter than magnitude 3.0 and two stars located within 10 parsecs (32.6 light years) of Sun. The brightest star in the constellation is Altair Alpha Aquila, spectral class A7b, which is also the 12th brightest star in the sky. Altair is also nearest star in Aquila at the distance of only 16.77 light years from the Earth. Aquila has 9 stars with the known planets. HD 179079, a G-type subgiant, has orbiting planet that was discovered in 2009. HD 183263 has two planets discovered in 2005 and 2008. Aquila, a red giant, also known by the name Liberties, has a confirmed exoplanet named Fortitudo that was discovered in 2008. A planet orbiting the star HD 192263, an orange dwarf K2V, was discovered on September 28, 1999, and one orbiting the yellow subgiant HD 192699 G84 was announced in April 2007. Other stars with confirmed planets include COROT 10 KV, K1V, and COROT 8 K1b. Aquila contains 8 named stars, the proper names of stars that have been officially approved by International Astronomical Union (IAU) as Elsewhere, Altair, China, Liberty, Occam, Petra, Phonia. Aquila does not contain any Messier object. There are two meteor showers associated with the constellation, the June Aquilids and Epsilon Aquilids. Aquila belongs to Hercules family of constellation together with Hera, Centaurus, Corona, Australius, Corvus, Crater, Crux, Sinus, Hercules, Hydra, Lupus, Lyra, and many more. Aquila myth. In Greek mythology, Aquila is identified as the eagle that carried Jesus, Jesus' thunderbolts and was once dispatched by the god to carry Ganymede, the young Trojan boy Jesus desired, to Olympus to be cupbearer of the gods. Ganymede is represented by the neighboring constellation Aquarius. In another story, the eagle is found guarding the arrow of Eros, which hit Jesus and made him love stroke. In yet another myth, Aquila represents Aphrodite disguised as an eagle pretending to pursue Jesus in the form of swan so that Jesus' love interest, goddess Zeus' love interest, Nemesis, would give him shelter. In the story, Zeus later placed the images of eagle and swan among the stars to commemorate to the event. The name of the brightest star in the constellation Altair is derived from Arabic, which means flying eagle or vulture. Pet- Ptolemy called stars Atos, which is Latin for eagle. Similarly, both Babylonians and Sumerians called Altair the eagle star. Major stars in Aquila: Altair Alpha Aquila. Altair is the 12th brightest star in the sky, which apparent magnitude of 0.77. It is an A-type main sequence star that has three visual companions lying only 16.8 light years. Altair, one of the closest stars of the Earth, which is visible to the unaided eye. The star's name is derived from the Arabic word the flying eagle. Next is Elshan Beta Aquila. Elshan is the only seventh brightest star in the Aquila, but was designated Beta Aquilian nonetheless by Bayer. It is class G subgiant, approximately 44.7 light years distance. The name Elshan is derived from the Perso-Arabic, which means falcon. The star has 12th magnitude visual companion Beta Aquila b, a class M red dwarf flying 13 Earth seconds away. Terra Z, that is Gamma Aquila. Terra Z is the second brightest star in Aquila. Its name is derived from Persian phrase which means the beam of the scale. It is a class K bright giant with the apparent magnitude of 2.72, approximately 461 light years distant. Terra Z is 2960 times more luminous than Sun and has a radius of 110 solar, taking up about half an AU in the sky. Next is Deneb El Cap, is a triple star system around about 154 light year distance. Deneb El Collab, it is Zeta Aquila, is another triple star approximately 83.2 light years away. Then Bezek is a yellow-white supergiant approximately 1200 light years from the Earth. Then Tcene Theta Aquila is spectroscopic binary star about 287 light years distance. Then is Iota Aquila is a blue-white B star approximately 307 light-year distance. Then is Lambda Aquila, a blue-white B-type main sequence dwarf, is sometimes called AI prior to differentiate. In 1973, NASA launched the probe Pioneer 11 that will increasingly approach Lambda. 15 Aquila is at magnitude 5 orange giant, has a faint optional companion. RHO Rho Aquila is a white A-type main sequence dwarf. NGC 6741 is a planetary nebula first discovered in 1882 by American astronomers Edwin Charles Pickering. NGC 6709 is an open star cluster that can be easily resolved in small telescopes. The E nebula, also known as, consists two dark nebula, Barnett 142 and 143. NGC 6755 is another open cluster in Aquila. NGC 6781 is another planetary nebula somewhat similar in appearance to the Owl Nebula in the constellation Ursa Major. The glowing eye nebula NGC 6804, 3, 6760, 6749, 6778, IC 1298. IC 1298 is an open cluster in Aquila. It was discovered by on July 30th, 1889. NGC 6772 is a planetary nebula with a visual magnitude of 12.7. It is seen 1.46 arc minutes. It is discovered by William in 1784. Wow, so many stars. So Aquila constellation is really important and good to know about that. I hope you are also learning with us. I am also learning, I'm also gaining knowledge and just spreading that with you all. We have compiled this video on the basis of our knowledge which we get after studying and analyzing various stuff regarding the topic. We really hope you receive knowledge. In the end, last but not the least, please support and do like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel that is Celestial Space Fact. We will be posting more and more in the near future. Love, love. Have a nice day. Be kind, be safe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.